Yes, blessed grand rising to the 12th tribe of Israel. Today on my channel I'll be making a quick and easy carrot cake. And first and foremost we have to give our praises unto the Most High Yah and His beloved Son Yahweh. So follow me on this cake making adventure. Right on this plate I have my carrot, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to grate it up. Okay, so I grated up the carrot. So in this mixing bowl I got 4 eggs. So what I'm going to add now is 1 cup of brown sugar, 1/3 cup of vegetable oil, 2 tablespoons of vanilla. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to use a hand mixer to mix this out. So in this bowl, I've got 3 cups of all-purpose flour. So adding to the bowl, 1 tablespoon of baking powder and 1/2 tablespoon of baking soda. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to mix this in. So right here I got a piece of strainer. What I'm going to do, I'm going to sift this flour into my mixture. So 1.5 cup is in my mixing bowl, so I'm going to do, I'm going to mix this out. So the first half is mixed out, so I'm going to add the remaining flour to the batter. So my batter is all mixed out, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to add the carrot. Half a teaspoon of cinnamon powder, half a teaspoon of salt, and then the last thing. So in this pan I got a teaspoon of vegetable oil. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to oil it up. So my pan is all oiled up, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to add in my batter. So it's in the pan, so I set my oven to 350 Fahrenheit. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put this in the oven for 35 minutes. Yes! So yes family, so this is my carrot cake all finished. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to cut it. So remember, this is an easy recipe. Yeah! Thank you for watching, and thanks to all my subscribers who subscribe to the channel. May the Most High always keep you blessed. Shalom.
let somebody, could I let somebody know me better? I thought that I would miss your